Today we'll talk about the national bird of Uganda, the gray-crowned crane. In the expansive savannas of Uganda, the gray-crowned crane roams freely, its elegant silhouette blending harmoniously with the golden hues of the grasslands. These birds partake in a fantastic mating ritual, where they perform intricate dances, leaping and bowing with unmatched precision and grace. Nestled amidst the tranquil reed beds near Uganda's rivers and wetlands, the gray-crowned crane carefully tends to its nest, a testament to its dedication to ensuring the survival of the species. As devoted parents, gray-crowned cranes tirelessly forage for insects, seeds, and small vertebrates to nourish their young, instilling in them the skills necessary for survival in their dynamic environment. In Uganda, the gray-crowned crane holds a special place in the hearts of the people, inspiring admiration and respect across generations. Its regal presence is celebrated in vibrant festivals and traditional ceremonies, where the rhythmic beats of drums and joyful dances pay homage to this emblematic bird. As the sun sets over the Ugandan horizon, painting the sky with hues of orange and gold, let us stand together to protect and preserve the rich biodiversity of Uganda and cherish the legacy of the gray-crowned crane for generations to come.